Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem with the Rocket League not responding, and yep, just watch this video all the way to the end and you'll learn how to do it. So let's say I don't know this game, Rocket League is not responding now, but actually it's responding, but let's quit. And when it appears this problem, just right click here on your task manager, click on task, on your taskbar, and click on task manager and search for Epic Games launcher and just close it and task right like that, and that's it. So now close the task manager, and now right click here on your Windows button and click on run, and search for person local app data person. That's it. Just click OK, and here scroll down to find Epic Games Launcher. This open saved, and here just delete this folder, and if you have another folder below this one here, just delete and the other folder, and now delete it. Close it, delete it from the recycle bin, empty it, and now just open your Epic Games Launcher here. Wait a few seconds till it's loading. Open your library, and from here just search for your game, for Rocket League game, and now click on these three little dots and click on verify. And now it's verifying. Wait till it's done, and actually that's it, how to fix the Rocket League problem. When it's done with the verifying, just restart your PC, and then there will be no more this problem with the Rocket League not responding. So you will be able to play Rocket League. And that's it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.